Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your earbuds Sony. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. And now you should press and hold both of the touch areas until this LED light is disappear. So press and hold on it, and now we should wait. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we should remove these earbuds from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that remove your earbuds from the charging case. Now it should enter to prank mode automatically, but sometimes you don't want to, so oh yeah, this time it actually entered to prank mode. But if it not, we can we can add it manually. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!